In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Wix Chat to your website. Whether you're running an online store, a blog, or a portfolio site, adding live chat is a fantastic way to connect with your audience in real time. It helps you provide instant support, answer questions, and build trust with your visitors. The good news is that Wix makes it incredibly simple to integrate this feature into your site. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll have your chat feature up and running. So let's dive right in and get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open your web browser and log into your Wix account. Make sure you're using the account associated with the website where you want to add the chat feature. If you're not already logged in, simply enter your email and password and you'll be taken to your Wix dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Wix Editor for your specific website. You can do this by selecting the site you want to edit from your dashboard and clicking Edit Site. This will open the Wix Editor, which is the space where you can make all the design changes and updates to your site. Take a moment to let it load fully so you have access to all the tools. Now that you're inside the Wix Editor, turn your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. There you'll see a vertical toolbar with a variety of icons. What we're looking for is the plus icon, which represents the Add button. This is where you can access all the design elements available to add to your website. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. When you do, a menu will open up showing you all the different categories of elements you can add, from text and images to buttons and forms. This is where you'll find everything you need to customize your site. From the menu, find the section labeled Contact and Forms. This section is designed specifically for interactive elements that help visitors communicate with you. Once you've located it, click on it to explore the options within this category. Inside the Contact and Forms section, you'll see an option labeled Wix Chat. This is the feature we'll be adding to the site today. Go ahead and click on the Wix Chat button. This will add a basic chat feature to your website and open up additional options for customization. Next, you'll need to choose a template for your chat feature. Wix offers several pre-designed templates to fit different styles and purposes. Take a moment to preview the options and select the one that best matches the overall look and feel of your site. Whether you want something minimalist or a more vibrant design, there's a template to suit your needs. Once you've chosen your template, it's time to customize the appearance and functionality of your chat feature. You can adjust the colors, fonts, and placement to ensure it blends seamlessly with your website's design. You can also configure the settings for the chat, such as setting up automated greetings or adjusting availability hours. Take your time here to make sure everything aligns with the user experience you're aiming for. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. This step is crucial to ensure that the chat feature is properly integrated into your website. You can do this by clicking the Save button in the top right corner of the editor. Once saved, make sure to preview your site to see how the chat feature looks and functions live. And that's it. You've successfully added Wix Chat to your website. It's now ready to help you engage with your visitors and provide them with real-time support. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.